Hello friends, my name is Akshay Agnivalkia. So today's topic is how to use the Word in Microsoft Office mobile app. So let's start our video. For this you have to open the Microsoft Office app after the installation. So this is the home page where we have edited all the files are available here. So click on this plus option to create new one. After that you have to click on the Word document. So it is the all-in-one app that you have already seen. So if you click on the scan test option, so the easy way to scan the documents also. So I have a document, so I am scanning that document now.
Please wait.
So after taking the photo, it will ask to confirm the cropping and the wanted text. So after that you have to click on this done option. If you want to add another photo or any filters of the document, you have to edit that. So I'm discarding that image. So because I have shown this to trial to show to you, I will clearly explain how to scan documents using Microsoft Office app in next video. So now we will discuss about Word. So now you have to click on this blank document. Blank document means one white page will come, so you have to type in that page. So to see all the options here, you have to click here. So after that you can get the font size, bold, italic, underline, strike through, etc. Options are available just like in the computer Microsoft Word. So I'm choosing the font Calibri. So font size is 18 and so I want to type for a trial. So this is italic and underline and this is bold. So after that you have to remove this easily. This is strike through. I will show you how it is striking now. So I have typed something here, but it is coming as strike through. After this trial, I will show you highlight option, how it is working. So this is strike through. In many fonts it is available. All the fonts it is available. So this is a highlight. So there are colors like yellow, green, red, orange, etc. colors. So this is the highlight option. So click on this and then start typing. So I am typing as expert detectives. So after that you have to select the text and then click on that highlight option available there. First select. So I am selecting. After that you have to click again on this option and click on that highlight option. So which color you choose, that will highlight as yellow highlight. So the yellow highlight falls on the text as you seen. So this is the font color. So you can also change the font colors also. So this is the Go Premium, means premium one. So you can get more colors in that premium one, but you have to pay the money. So this is font formatting, means the file goes to 11th font size. So this is bullet option. So you can select any one of the options. So there are only few one available, but in the computer you can get more and more bullets like pictures, customize anything. So this is the circle bullet that is available in this app. Next, and this is square one which filled with black color, and this is one of the arrow mark, and this is tick mark. So this is the option for numbering. So means different size of numbers will come. So this is one of the numbers that we write in everyday life. This is bracket 1 and this is so this is Roman numbers with dot. English alphabet numbering is also available in this app. Just like this, A dot next A small letters and bracket. So in this way all the numbering options available in this application. So this is numbering, and next option is alignment. So this is center alignment, and this is left alignment, right alignment. So this is right alignment, and fourth one is justified alignment. So these are the alignments, and this is paragraph, means line spacing and space before paragraph, and all are available here. So you can set this, so 2, 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, etc. So these are styles, so you can choose the normal style, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title. So in this way you can select the style. So and next one is search, so you can find any word in the document, so by clicking on the search option. After that I will show you the insert one. So this is blank page, you can insert blank page here, and you can also scan document, and table also available, pictures, shapes, text box, link, comment, all you can add in this insert button. So next one is draw option, so you have to click on that hand option and then choose the pen and you can draw. So this is eraser, and this is stroke eraser. So one stroke will available in one click. So in that way, so this eraser is available. So you can also change the color of pen. So after clicking that pen option, you can choose, you can draw. So this is highlight option, and this is layout, and margins all are available in that layout. And review, you have to go to premium. So premium means already you know that we have to pay money. So this is the end of document. So this is read option. So for reading, it is another view. So you can share this document by document or PDF. So I am sharing it as PDF so that everyone can download it easily and see it. So for that PDF, I am selecting WhatsApp, and then I will send it to my contact. After that I will open file through the PDF viewer, like Adobe Acrobat or Drive PDF viewer. So just the document it will available, just it is available. So signing off, this is Akshay Agnolkia. Jai Hind.